Hello students, today we will be learning examples, that is question number 9 from the chapter current electricity. This question is from exercise only, that is solve the following numericals. First example is the resistance of a 1 meter long nichrome wire is 6 ohm. If we reduce the length of the wire to 70 centimeter, what will be its resistance? Okay, so given things are R1 is equal to 6 ohm, rho is equal to 6 ampere. Now L1 is equal to 1 meter, L2 is equal to 70 centimeter. So when you will look both the lengths, then you will understand both the lengths are not in same unit. That is, one is in meter and one is in centimeter. So now we are going to convert this centimeter into meter. How to convert? Let us see right hand side. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 70 centimeter is equal to 70 upon 100. That is equal to, means here 0 will cut, that is equal to 7 upon 10, which is equal to 0.7 meter. Therefore, R is equal to rho into L upon A. So, in terms of R1, we will write this formula. R1 is equal to rho into L1 upon A. Here we are keeping this resistivity and area, both the common factors. Only resistance and length will change. And R2 is equal to rho into L2 upon A. So here also we are keeping this resistivity and area common in both the resistance. Now this R2 will divide to R1. Therefore R2 upon R1 is equal to rho into L2 upon A upon rho into L1 upon A. Rho into L1 upon A. Therefore, R2 upon R1 is equal to R2 upon R1 is equal to L2 upon L1. Therefore, now we are going to put values. How to put? Just see. R2 value we have to calculate. R1 is given, that is 6. Now is equal to L2 is what? 0.7. L1 is 1. So 1. Now here we are going to do cross multiplication, means R2 into 1 is equal to 0.7 into 6. Therefore R2 is equal to 0.7 into 6 is 4.2 ohm. Therefore resistance will be 4.2 ohm. Now we are going to see third example. If a charge of 420 coulomb flows through a conducting wire in 5 minutes, what is the value of the current? Now first of all we will write given things. Q is equal to 420 coulomb. Therefore time t is equal to 5 minutes. So this 5 minutes we are going to convert it into second. How to convert? Let us see. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 5 minutes is equal to 60 into 5, that is equal to 300 seconds. Now, here I is equal to question marks, means current is equal to question mark. Therefore, I is equal to Q upon T. Here Q means 420 upon 300. So, here first of all 0 will cancel. Now, here 42 is there and here 30. So, we will divide this by 6. That is 6 7s are 42 and 6 5s are 30. That is equal to 7 upon 2. So, therefore, current I is equal to 1.4 ampere. This you can do with the help of division also. That is 5 1s are 5. Then 2 are remaining 0.4. That is current I is equal to 1.4 ampere. Therefore, the current in the circuit is 1.4 ampere.